Paper, the grassroots component of supply chain, touches everyone's day-to-day life as a parcel and package of delivering essential commodities. The role of paper enacts the most imperative role of packing emotions and spreading fragrance into millions of lives. With the ever-increasing globalization, packaging of the products is becoming more and more crucial to sustain in the lucid market. Understanding the need of the hour and to keep sync with global industry trends, the inspirational leaders and entrepreneurs Shri Magan Bhai Patel and Shri Mahendra Bhai Patel have pioneered Uma Group and established their flagship company in 1998 at village Dangia in Banaskantha district of Gujarat. Uma Group, the paper that we roll, unfolds joy and happiness manifolds. The group that is committed to cater best-in-class alternative of plastic for green environment and eco-friendly packaging solutions. Today, Uma Group is a multi-dimensional conglomerate with Pan-Asia presence, having remarkable footprint of over 20 years in the world of paper. With state-of-the-art, world-class infrastructure and highly experienced superlative human assets, Uma Group has evolved as one of India's largest manufacturer and progressing as fast-forward technology frontier to deliver niche products. Within a short span, Uma Group has made deep inroads into domestic as well as premium quality international market. Specialized in lower grammage fluting paper, the group export 80% of total capacity to overseas countries like Sri Lanka, China, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Taiwan, Vietnam, Brazil, Turkey and Middle East. As its corporate synergy evolved further, Uma Group has decided to start production of craft paper in 2015 to cater the ever-increasing demands of the Indo-Asian market. Today, Uma Group is a noted name in domestic market with grand Pan-Asia presence and second largest exporter of craft paper from India.
At Uma, we are motivated to become the largest and best recycle-based paper manufacturer company of India, which consistently works to uphold our core values of integrity, commitment and sustainability.
In order to make this dream a reality and to accelerate our corporate journey, we are contemplating to invest more and more in better quality of paper. We are committed to the highest quality products and hence import raw materials from various countries like USA, UK, Australia, Belgium, Netherlands, Greece and Middle East. Adhering to our stringent quality control, we procure A-class 100% recycled fiber. High-quality international recycled paper is used for pulping. Our vibrant product portfolio includes high-strength fluting and test liner paper with BF range of 16 to 24 and GSM range of 85 to 200. We have two production lines having 1 lakh MTPA capacity. First production line was set up in 2015 to produce higher GSM like 110 and above, whereas second production line was set up in 2017 to produce lower GSM like 85 to 110. We use world-class sophisticated paper making machine designed from continuous sheet with improved tensile strength and trim of 3.250 meter. An excellent seal press system controls uniform moisture and caliper of paper and improvises bending stiffness. To provide best quality paper for packaging, we have installed multiple CI and MS dryers, which control moisture profile of the paper. In the size press section, we apply chemical coating on the paper to ensure increased surface strength, excellent compression and stretch value. Improvise internal bonding of the fiber and control water absorbency and porosity of the paper. We are having state-of-the-art, fully automated machines to guarantee quality of product parameters and deliver the best value products to our customers. To ascertain our tradition of excellence, we maintain consistent quality of the products. And for that, we have in-house fully equipped laboratory with world-class sophisticated testing equipment to check bursting factor, grammage, ring crush strength at various stages of production lines. Through continuous online inspections and quality checks, we guarantee to match all parameters as per customer requirements. To ensure that products are delivered in excellent condition and for safe delivery to customers, we take extra precautions to protect real edges of finished paper roll. To dispatch the finished goods to local and international market, we have adopted safety loading, which minimizes the manpower and loads the rolls in truck or container. Uma Group is committed to environmental protection and saving nature. We have adopted various eco-friendly processes like wastewater recycle, heat recovery, electrostatic precipitator (ESP) to extract harmful dust from the flue gases, modern water treatment plant to clean the water, and water scrubber in boiler department to improve the quality of exhausting smoke into atmosphere. As a symbol of responsible corporate, we have inducted vast variety of energy conservation measures, ranging from energy audit to use of renewable energy resources. Over the years, Uma Group has evolved the futuristic corporate character under the visionary leadership of our Managing Director, Mr. Mahendra Patel. Uma Group has an aggressively competent and dynamic management team comprising of Mr. Hasmukh Patel as Director, Domestic Sales, Mr. Nehal Patel as Director, International Sales, Mr. Hetan Patel as Director, Finance, and Mr. Kiran Patel as Director, Purchase. Uma Group has young and enthusiastic team of 20 employees at office and an exceptionally experienced strong workforce of 300 employees. As a part of our corporate responsibility and accountability, we adhere to comprehensive health, safety and operation policies. We have adopted the best corporate culture to enhance overall performance of all the employees. We consider all the employees as our team members and encourage all the individuals to take responsibilities. We also respect their opinions and suggestions for continuous improvements and betterment of the company. The one thing that never changes is change. So, what is the next challenge for us? Whatever it will be, we remain and will remain because we are not tearable. Our esteemed organization believes in taking on challenges from inside out with out-of-the-box creativity through innovative product development and never-ending upgradation. We are firm to succeed against all odds. See you then in future.